Humarap ang ilang dating senador at kongresista sa oral argument sa Korte Suprema kaugnay sa petisyong ideklarang labag sa saligang batas ang unprogrammed appropriations. Nakatutok si Maki Pulido.
Isinagawa ang oral argument sa Korte Suprema kaugnay ng petisyong ideklarang labag sa saligang batas ang unprogrammed appropriations. Ito yung inilalagay sa national budget ng mga alokasyon na magagamit lamang kung merong sobrang pondo ang gobyerno. Dito umano kinuha ang pinangpondo sa mga maanumalyang flood control projects. Sa oral argument sa Korte Suprema, humarap si dating Senate President Franklin Drilon bilang amicus curiae o friend of the court. Giit ni Drilon, hindi labag sa saligang batas ang unprogrammed appropriation dahil binibigay ng konstitusyon ang power of the purse sa Kongreso.
This is a plenary power of Congress and that cannot be restricted, but it doesn't mean that the use of such power cannot be corrected, and that is why there is the power of this honorable court to correct abuses.
Mula 2023 hanggang 2025, halos 1.3 trillion pesos sa budget ng gobyerno ang unprogrammed appropriation o walang eksaktong alokasyon. Humarap din ang ekonomista at dating congressman na si Joey Salceda. Punto niya, kailangan ng unprogrammed appropriation para may paghuhugutan ng gobyerno sa mga biglaang pangangailangan. Hindi naman daw ang mismong budget ang masama, kundi ang banality of evil o pagiging normal ng masamang gawain.
I think there are enough railguards in the Constitution. It's a slew, a universe that will provide the controls. We're not in the best of times. We're trying as much as possible to grow the economy, to put in the general economic strategy in order to grow our revenues. We cannot rely on the organic kulang po.
Our country has many laws, many regulations, many issuances from the departments, and if each person can just be honest and good public servants, I think, Your Honor, there will really be no problem.
Kanina, siningil na ni Supreme Court Associate Justice Alfredo Caguioa sa Office of the Solicitor General ang hiningi niyang mga detalyadong dokumento kaugnay ng budget insertions. Pero walang naisumite dahil ayon kay Solgen Darlene Berberabe, walang maibigay ang Kongreso at Senado. Dahil dyan, inutos ng Korte na magpaliwanag ang sino mang kinatawan ng Kongreso at Senado na nakausap ni Berberabe.
This is the directive of the court already.
Yes, Your
We want
Honor.
to know whether or not these documents exist or do not exist, or whether these documents do exist but they don't want to give it to us because of their institutional concerns.
Your Honor, based on our discussion, there are really no documents.
Based on
Honor.
your discussion, but I want to hear it from the horse's mouth under oath.
Maki Pulido, nakatutok, 24 oras.